Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and of course this is a little update for the numbers that we've got today for the October 2018 update and for the different versions of Windows 10. So of course I get probably a daily flood of messages and comments about I don't have the October 2018 update. It doesn't show up when I go to Windows Update. What's happening? Why don't I have it? Very simple. You're still a big majority that don't have it. The latest numbers show that as of the end of February, as of pretty much today, the October 2018 update is on 21.2% of Windows 10 PCs. That means just barely more than 1 out of 5 Windows 10 users have it right now. So 4 out of 5 Windows 10 users are not there. The majority of you, 71.6% exactly, are still on the April 2018 update. So the rollout did pretty much double, roughly double, the amount of users with the October 2018 update since last month. But the majority of you are still on the April 2018 update. That's why it doesn't matter if you don't have it right now. It'll arrive at some point. Just don't worry. Don't rush it once again. Don't force it in any way. Let it come through naturally through Windows updates. There are several reasons why it doesn't show up. It's going out in waves. They're probably taking a little more of their time this time around to make sure that it doesn't break PCs. It also is possible that you're not getting it because of some hardware that might not be compatible with the latest update, and until they actually fix the problem, you're not seeing it appear in Windows Update. That's why it's a good thing to wait for the Windows Update to show it automatically. It's a way of kind of letting you know that it should be okay. So, majority of you are still in April 2018 update. What does this mean as we're getting? It's interesting because what I will want to know is what will be these numbers at the end of March in a month from now. And there's going to be an interesting moment there because when the next numbers at the end of March will appear, insiders will probably already have the finalized version of what will be the April 2019 update, the 19H1 version, what's coming next. That means, I don't know, what will be that number at the end of March, and I suspect there's still going to be a lot of people still on the April 2018 update. So the gap between the number of people with the older version and what will be appearing in April of this year might still be quite big. In the last two updates, the April 2018 update and the Fall Creators update, the penetration of the last version of Windows 10 before we got a new one was roughly in the 90% range. That means the majority of people had upgraded. What's happening now is that this will clearly not be the case when April arrives. I can't see 90% of all of you of having October 2018 update for April. So what will this have as a consequence? I wonder if there won't be simply a kind of a jump ahead. Some of you might maybe never see the October 2018 update actually, and just go directly to the April 2019 update rather than the October 2018 update. I'm afraid of some of you may be getting a October 2018 update and then a couple of days later getting the April 2019 update in kind of a rush of updates. So this is going to be interesting to see here because it is pretty much the first time that the Windows 10 versions aren't very, very high before a new version is arriving. So, of course, we'll wait for the end of March numbers. What I think is going to happen, I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of March, maybe the penetration of the October update will be roughly at 50%. I could see that happen up to 50%. More than that, I have a hard time thinking that there would be so many upgrades in just a month. But who knows? Depends on how fast Microsoft is pushing everything. The other thing, maybe they're going to, make sure that the April 2018 update arrives at the latest time in April also. Maybe they're going to try to have everybody upgrade as much to this version before. It's hard to know, and Microsoft, of course, does not give any detail. But what we know is that by the end of next month, by March the 26th, for example, in a month from now, well, it's pretty sure that insiders will be on the official April 2019 update. And in April, it's pretty sure that that's when the April 2019 update is getting here. So it's a tight schedule, and they can't delay it really because there's going to be another version that's going to come out later this year, the October 2019 update, and so on. So, anyways, if you're wondering why you don't have it, don't worry. Still, the majority of you are still not at the October 2018 update, only 21.2%. So, no problem, no rush, no nothing to be worried about. Just be happy and use Windows 10. And if you get it, you'll get it at some point. And that's all. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.